Good morning. So the wind blew so hard, it blew my empty trash can over that was on the side of the road for the garbage. And while I was collecting it, a young man come by, well, younger than me, and he said, "Beautiful day, isn't it? That cool breeze." And I'm like, "Yeah, you know what? I think I'll take advantage of this breezy day and take a morning walk myself." So I've taken my meloxicam and I'm ready to go. Now this trailer here was bought by an investor and they have it up for rent, but they want $1,300, and so far nobody's rented it out. I'd be happy with $1,100 for mine. Oh mercy, it's a beautiful, beautiful morning. This is the little pond I walk by. The breeze is blowing all the trees, and it's blowing across me. I'm just loving it. It's a beautiful morning in Florida. I like these overcast mornings. The clouds just are amazing. Little birdies have something to say. I like to just stand here and watch the breeze blow the weird little hangy things. What are those called? Something moss? And American flags wave so beautifully. Several people have them up. Hibiscus. I had two beautiful little hibiscus trees and they both died. Oh, he flew away. He was just sitting there, a little black crow on the rock. It's very pleasant here. I just spoke with a woman with the cutest little black and white chihuahua. And yet, I yearn to see other places, not the same place day after day after day. What a dilemma. What do I do? There's a great big world out there, and I know it exists because I've been there. I've seen it. But to give up comfort for freedom, that's the scary part. It's crazy how this pool is very rarely used. In season, there's usually a bunch of people who come in the morning, but in the afternoons, and it's early yet, no one comes. This is probably cold weather for a lot of the residents here. It's just perfect to me. A hibiscus close-up. I think it's called hibiscus. Look at that strange bush, this big leafy something or other, almost like a rubber plant. I just had to take a picture with the three flags, flying all wild and brave, just like the men who founded our country and the women who helped them. And a squirrel climbing up the tree. Strangely beautiful Florida. My low back is not doing well today, probably because the humidity's high again. But I'm gonna walk anyway. What on earth are these strange looking things? Some of them been cut down or fallen off. I don't know what on earth they are. Some sort of fungus, perhaps? I hear thunder. Time to head home. Neighbor just said high winds and rains, so they picked up the chairs and put them away. I'm gonna go get my mail, and then I guess I'm gonna pull that bread out of the freezer. I put it away because she didn't feel like French toast. But for some reason, to me, it just feels like a French toast morning. Oh my. Got my big pile of mail, and I'm heading back to my house. Yeah, that's my foam sealant job. Looks like I'm gonna need a razor blade here. And a rake. Oh my. I hear the thunder in the background. Can you hear it too? Maybe if I stay here a minute, you'll be able to. Clouds are sweeping by. I guess now I'm gonna go through my mail. I've got my French bread that's already sliced and defrosting. I've had my coffee. I'll wait till this is ready to go. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Good morning.